butter. And it goes. And a little bit of brown sugar. Now I'll need to mix the ingredients. And then I'll need to crack 2 eggs into this white bowl. So what do we crack here, Mommy?
Yes.
You wanted to crack the eggs for a little long time. Actually, Ron, you don't know how to crack the eggs, but if you can. Here I have 2 eggs in the bowl.
And then put 1 tablespoon of vanilla.
Vanilla extra, yes. We need to put a vanilla extra. 1 teaspoon.
Oops. And then 2 tablespoons maple syrup.
Maple syrup. So we need to help. Can you open it up, Mommy?
Yes, 1 more.
Okay. I'm going to mix it. Can we mix it?
With
And then next one
the
is
fork, with the fork. Mix.
and then mix it. Okay. Is it mixed it already? Can we pour it?
Yeah.
Can we pour it
Yes.
in the bowl?
Yes.
Just mix it. So your egg and your cake will be even amazing, but it's alright that the egg is big only to combine. Okay, is it done? I'll add some more flour. I will tap, 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 tap. The flour is on. Okay, take the sugar. I'll mix it until combine. See, all combined. Time to pour the flour again. It's okay. Tap, 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 tap a little bit more. Tap, 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 tap. And mix them to combine. Then tap, tap, tap again. Okay. Here I've put Oh, tap, tap, tap. Okay. Now let's make some all combined. Can we, Daddy, please put this one in the oven? I cannot touch the oven because it will be very hot. Okay, last one thing is pour the chocolate chips. Basically equally. And what about the baking powder? This out. Daddy, it looks like a little bit, but don't worry. It will be very fine. Otherwise, don't not. Teddy, I cannot. And don't worry, because I'm going to pour this out. I'm more busy too, and you need to know what to do. Okay, Kelly. Well, I pour it out. And then he'll Kelly, just like this, a smiley face on it. And then some more smiley face. Don't eat the chocolate chip, Kelly. That's not, hey Kelly, don't. I've got a few chocolate chips. That's really that's not too young. Okay, would you like some? Okay, then put the chocolate chips only one by one. Now, can we ask your daughter for help? Because we cannot put it in the oven, it's very hot. Oh, why you dropped the chocolate chips? Uh-oh, Kelly. Do you want to make the chocolate chips even better like a smiley face?
No.
The cake is ready.
So yummy. Let's eat it and cut it.